Good morning and welcome to SSW TV. Today we're at NDC and I'm in an Ask Me Anything session with Chris. Welcome, Chris.
Thank you.
So tell me a little bit about who you are and what you're doing.
So my name is Chris Klug. I work as a software developer in Sweden. I've done that for the last 15, 16 years. And I spend a lot of time traveling around the world and talking at conferences as well.
Cool.
Because I kind of enjoy doing that. Other than that, right now I'm doing a lot of front-end work and web-based work. I have a background in doing a bit of everything in the Microsoft sphere, but that's what I'm doing at the moment.
Fantastic. And you've already done a session here at NDC. Can you give me the brief overview? What did you talk about?
Yeah, so I talked about ASP.NET Core and the way that in ASP.NET Core, the OWIN pipeline or the OWIN spec has been incorporated but kind of modified. So they've taken OWIN and tweaked it into something slightly different. And I gave an overview of how you can use your OWIN knowledge in the new pipeline and what changes are in there.
Cool, excellent. Wonderful. And did you get a good reception from that?
The room was far from full, I must admit, but I did get only greens, so I guess I did a fairly okay job.
Yeah,
and
that's
people
great.
Seemed like they were.
Because it's a big change and an interesting topic.
It is. It's been around for a long time. We'd had Project Katana and the OWIN pipeline in ASP.NET MVC for the last 4 or 5 years, but people don't realize it.
Yep.
As soon as you plug in identity management and authorization or authentication, you are actually using the OWIN pipeline today. But people just do that and they don't really care. But I kind of got stuck with OWIN being a cool concept, and it's so easy to plug things in and out. And with ASP.NET Core coming out and having that as a foundation, I thought people might be interested.
Yeah, and it's because it's much more important to understand with Core than it was with previous versions of MVC.
Yeah, well, in previous versions it was like an add-on. It was something that you had on the side, and it kind of plugged into MVC, but kind of not. It was kind of weird, but now it's foundational, yeah.
Awesome. So obviously that's an area that you're interested in, but what's got you excited about technology at the moment?
Well, right now, all the stuff with ASP.NET Core is interesting to see. I might not agree with all the decisions that have been made, because I've been looking at it since beta 2.3 something and followed along a little bit, but there's been a lot of changes. I think the end product is a little bit different than most of us expected, but it is looking nice. I'm curious to get like a client that I can sell it to and we can start working on it for real and see how it works.
Awesome.
So that would be one, and then of course Angular 2 and other front-end stuff is always interesting.
Fantastic. Okay, that's great. Look, thank you very much for joining us today for an Ask Me Anything, and thank you for watching SSW TV.
Hey everybody, it's me, Scott Hanselman, here with Adam Kogan at NDC Sydney. We're hanging out. It's SSW Video. How are you, sir? That's how you do an intro. No, go ahead. I'll be right here, please.